Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about 6th standard GK chapter 43 Treasure Troves. Many museums all over the world are dedicated to varied themes. Let's take a tour of some of these unusual museums. The first museum is Olympic Museum. The Olympic Museum in Lausanne, Switzerland is dedicated to the history of the Olympic Games. It includes the complete collection of Olympic torches and medals. Newseum is an interactive museum of news and journalism located in Washington, D.C., USA. It is dedicated to the history and evolution of news gathering. The Strong National Museum of Play in Rochester, USA, is the only museum in the world wholly dedicated to the theme of play. It contains the world's largest collection of toys, dolls, games, and other items that children play with. The Hedge Museum in Belgium is devoted to the comic character Tintin and his creator Georges Remy. It has scale models of the characters he created besides items such as Professor Calculus, Red and White Moon Rocket. The Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in London, United Kingdom, is well known for its collection of wax statues of the famous and the infamous. The National Museum in New Delhi is one of the largest museums in India. It houses an impressive collection of art and sculptures spanning over 5,000 years of Indian culture heritage. Its most famous exhibit is the Dancing Girl from the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indian Museum in Kolkata is the largest and oldest museum in India. Apart from the collection of rare antiques, the museum is known for its exhibits such as fossil skeletons of prehistoric animals and Egyptian mummy. The National Rail Museum in New Delhi displays exhibits on the history of rail transport in India. The museum features simulations of coaches, diesels, engines, and steam engines. Students, now let us see chapter 45, Giants of the Deep. See, this is the manta rays fish. These manta rays are the largest rays, flattened fishes related to sharks. Their bodies are 7 to 9 meter wide and weigh up to 1,350 kilograms. Despite being huge, they are ugly and can leap from the water. Sharks are fish. Their length can vary from few centimeters to 18 meters. They do not have bones. Their skeleton is made of tough material called cartilages. Whales are intelligent mammals with highly developed brains. The blue whale is the largest living animal. It is over 30 meters long and weighs more than 25 elephants. Dolphins are mammals known for their playful and friendly nature. They live in groups of 10 to 12 and communicate with clicks and whistles. Linesman jellyfish are among the largest jellyfishes in the world. Their tentacles can grow up to 37 meters in length. The giant first-beak octopus is the largest octopus species in the world. It has an arm span of about 4.3 meters and may weigh up to 15 kg. Now let us see chapter 47, Nobel laureates. These Indians have been honored with the prestigious Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his books of verse Gitanjali. His work includes over 1,000 poems, 2,000 songs, and numerous short stories, plays, and essays. He was also a musician, painter, and philosopher who founded the Vishwabharati University at Shantiniketan. Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Sir C.V. Raman, the first Asian Nobel laureate in physics, C.V. Raman, received the prize in 1930 for his discovery of the inelastic scattering of light and its effect, also known as Raman effect. Saint Teresa was born Agnes Bogasin to Albanian parents in the former Yugoslavia. She became a nun at 18 and came to India. She started homes to shelter, feed, and care for dying, crippled, mentally ill, and homeless people on the streets of Kolkata. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979, the Bharat Ratna in 1980. She was declared a saint in 2016. Amartya Sen won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics. His research and writings deal with the issues of welfare, poverty, and famine, and their effects on the individual and society. Kailash Satyarthi, an engineer by profession, left his career to fight against child slavery and exploitative child labor. His NGO, Bachpan Bacho Antolan, has rescued over 80,000 hapless children from slavery. They are rehabilitated at the Mukti Ashram and sent back to their families. Satyarthi won the 2014 Nobel Prize for Peace jointly with Malala Yousafzai and Pakistan. Dear students, in this session we discussed about 3 chapters: Treasure Troves, Giants of the Deep, and Nobel Laureates. Thank you, students.